I'm gonna do a quick video on how to operate your RV Comfort thermostat. This is in my 2024 Flagstaff. It's an 832 dBs. So it got 3 AC units. So it's got 3 units. So you got your different zones. You got the system, zone, and the mode. So let's go through this together. Right now we're gonna go say the system. As you can see right here, you might can't see it until I hit a button, but it's off. But when you hit the system again, you can go to cool down there, you see, hit it again. You go to heat, hit it again, you go to off. So when you off, nothing works. You know, so you can go through your different zones. There's zone 1, which is living area. Zone 2 is my bedroom. Zone 3 is on the opposite side, is the Murphy room. So you notice that you don't have nothing. You cannot operate this when it's on off. So we're gonna go back to zone 1 and we're gonna turn the system to AC. So what you wanna do is hit system and you see say it's cool. So you can go down here different modes. You got your auto mode, you got your high fan only, so it's just gonna be blowing the fan. Hit it again. Your low fan, hit it again, you could turn it off. So we hit that mode again. That's high cool. You see right there, it says cool. Hit it again, low cool. I mean, it's gonna stay on. Hit it again, auto. The best thing to do is put it on auto. So I got it on auto for my zone 1. As you can see, you probably heard it kicked on. And we're gonna go to zone 2, which is my living room. Which is my bedroom over there. And it's on auto too. And if I wanna turn the bedroom off, I can go hit this mode. Watch this, I'm gonna hit it. It's fan, low, off. So you may hear it click off. Let's go back to zone 1 and we're gonna turn it off. So we can go to mode. You see the high fan, fan low, and it's off. And you wait a few seconds, you're gonna hear it click off. You hear that clicked off. So that's the AC. So I don't even run the one in zone 3. Zone 3, I keep it off all the time. So we're gonna go back to zone 1 and we got it on cool. Let's go to system and we got it on heat now, but everything's off. You know, zone 1 off. Zone 2 is the electric and we'll go through that in a minute. Zone 3 is off. So let's go to zone 1. Zone 1, it says heat is off. And the only thing I have to do is go to the mode to turn it on. I could go gas, hit it again. I can go electric, hit it again. I could turn it off. So I can run this off gas or electric. So I'm gonna hit it again. We're gonna go through that. Gas, electric, and off. So I got it off right now. So we're gonna go to zone 2, which is my bedroom. And I run everything on electric if I can. If it gets too cold, I turn on the gas furnace. But you see mode, you see zone 2 is my bedroom. I hit it. I turn the heat off. I could turn it on electric or I could turn it off. You know, so it's electric and off. But when we go back to zone 1, you see it's 80 degrees in here. It's on heat. So it heats up really good. So it is off right now. So when I go hit the mode, I could turn it to gas. I could turn it electric and off. So let's go to zone 3. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna hit the mode, gas, electric, off. But let's go to mode. Let's go to zone 2, the heat, electric, off, electric, off. And you notice that the zone 2, it don't go to gas. And the reason is because in zone 2, which is my bedroom, it has a heat pump in the AC unit. So I can run my electric heat in my bedroom, but in the living room and the Murphy room, it don't have an electric heat pump. I wish it did, but since I got this fireplace, you really don't need it. But they only put the electric heat pump in the bedroom area. You can get it wired up to where you get the electric heater in your other two, but that's another option. So you notice that when I hit the mode, it does not turn on the gas, only electric. But let's go to mode 1. Let's go to zone 1. Okay, we're gonna turn on the heat and we're gonna go gas. Let's go to zone 2. Let's see if we can turn on electric. It just only have electric, but when the gas do kick on, it blows in my bedroom also. So let's give it a try here. We're gonna go back to zone 1. We got gas, and we're gonna go up here, hit this, and turn it up to 83, okay? And you're gonna probably hear it kick on here in a minute. Okay, it'll kick on. All right, it just kicked on. And you may hear the furnace is blowing, and I feel it, and the heat is coming from the furnace. So we're gonna go to zone 2. That's in my bedroom, and we're gonna change the mode. See, it only do the electric, but it heats up really good, and the furnace will blow in the bedroom when the furnace is blowing in the living room. So if I want to turn it off, I'm gonna go back to zone 1. I'm gonna go to different mode. I'm gonna turn that off, and it's gonna take a minute or two for it to go off because it's cooling the furnace down, and then it'll click off. But this is how you operate this. You go to different modes. I'm gonna go to my other zones. Zone 2 is my bedroom, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. And to do that, just go to different modes, and you see the off. And that's how simple it is to operate. 3 different zones. Most people got just 2 zones, and this is how you operate the system. So if I want to turn the system completely off, I just go right here, hit it, and you see down there it's off. And I go to all the different zones, everything's off. But as you can hear, it's still running, but it's gonna kick off once it cools down to a certain temperature in the furnace will shut off. And I hope this video helped. And thanks again, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.